The AI-powered banking page is where you review, categorize, and post your bank and credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. In this video, we'll cover how to use review signals, how to match, pair, and edit, and how to post faster with accounting AI. To get started, connect all of your financial accounts used for business transactions. QuickBooks gathers them in the Pending tab. Once your transactions are categorized and posted, you'll better understand your business and be ready for tax time. In the Pending tab, QuickBooks tries to autofill a payee in the From To column and a category in the Match or Categorize column. Next to each one, you'll see a review signal, a color-coded icon that tells you the strength of the data behind the recommendation and its alignment with your company's policy. A green checkmark means QuickBooks found a clear pattern in your books. Similar transactions have consistently been posted the same way, so the recommendation is good to post after a quick review. To see why QuickBooks made a suggestion, click on the review signal by the payee or category recommendations. You'll see a short summary of what's backing the recommendation, like an existing payee in your list or a consistent category pattern. For more detail, select More Info. The transaction opens to the right with a Suggestions panel. You'll see the history of similar transactions, alternate categories you can pick, and a description of the payee. You can also edit directly in the table. Update a payee or category right in the row, then select Post in the Action column to add the transaction to your books. A blue information signal means QuickBooks found some data to work with, but there's variation in how similar transactions have been handled. Open the suggestion to see the alternates, then confirm the right payee or category before posting. This is also where you'll find the categorization history for payees that QuickBooks identifies from the company's list. You may also see the blue information signal when QuickBooks recommends a new payee based on the bank description. An orange alert means QuickBooks has limited data backing this recommendation. Take a closer look, gather any context you need, and correct the field before posting. These review signals and suggestions are designed to follow and learn from your categorization patterns over time as you post more transactions in the bank feed. If QuickBooks sees a transaction from your bank that looks like one you've already entered, it suggests a match. Select the Match or Categorize button in the Action column to switch between the two options. To complete a match, select Match. Moving money between accounts or paying down a credit card creates two transactions, one in each account. QuickBooks looks for pairs like these and marks them with a pair badge. Posting one side posts the other so your books stay accurate. From the Actions menu, you can also split a transaction into multiple parts or exclude it from your books without opening it. Posted transactions move to the Posted tab, and excluded transactions move to the Excluded tab. If you have a QuickBooks Online Essentials, Plus, or Advanced subscription, Accounting AI groups transactions, which QuickBooks has high confidence is ready to post based on your company history and policy. These are mostly transactions with green checkmarks on both payee and category. Select Review on the banner to see them. From the bottom action bar, you can post all of these transactions in one step. You can also edit, exclude, or send a request for more information without leaving the page. Request More Info is a time saver when the person keeping the books is different from the person who made the purchase. The conversation stays organized in QuickBooks, so nothing gets lost in email. If you'd like a hand getting set up, book 30 minutes with a QuickBooks Certified Live Expert Bookkeeper. Now you're ready to use the AI-powered banking page in QuickBooks Online.